Understanding succulent pots in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, succulent pots. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Before we understand succulent pots, we need to know what succulents are. Succulents are a type of plant known for their thick, fleshy parts that store water. They are often found in dry climates and are popular for their low maintenance and diverse shapes. Common examples include aloe vera and cacti. Now, let's talk about pots. In this context, a pot is a container used for holding and growing plants. Pots can be made from various materials like clay, plastic, or ceramic, and come in different sizes and designs. So, when we combine these two words, succulent pots refer to the containers specifically used for planting and growing succulents. They are often designed to accommodate the unique needs of succulents, like drainage and space for root growth. How do we use this phrase in conversation? You might hear it in gardening stores, or when discussing home decor. For example, I bought some beautiful succulent pots for my balcony. In many cultures, succulents in pots are more than just plants. They symbolize endurance, resilience, and a love for nature. They are popular gifts and home decor items, reflecting a connection with the natural world. And that's a wrap on succulent pots. I hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of the phrase, but also its usage and cultural context. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new words and how they fit into our world. See you in our next video.